I'm Deepinder Singh, the CEO of 75F. Buildings use about 40% of the energy in the world, and 92% of the commercial buildings in the US don't have building controls. That leads to highly inefficient energy usage. Just by making them smarter, we can end up saving a huge amount of energy. 75F is on a mission to make people more comfortable and productive while saving energy. We make dumb buildings smart, so we make sure that you're more comfortable in a building from a temperature perspective, the indoor air quality is better, the lighting is more optimal for productivity, and we also do space management so the building is utilized more efficiently. We are the only folks who actually make our own sensors, our own sensing platform that measures temperature, humidity, light, occupancy, sound, volatile organic compounds, and CO2 levels. We put this all together, and then we actually made the hardware in addition to the software and the machine learning algorithms. People end up being far more productive and typically save about 30 to 50% in energy costs. We are in 5 countries at this point, primarily in the US and India. We have about 10 million square feet under control right now.